Namaste. My name is Alka Dhopte Avle. I'm a teacher educator by profession and I'm a landmark graduate and I had done coach and mentorship program with Coach PSR. Today I'm going to discuss with you on the sixth day of my spiritual science master program. Now today Guruji discussed with me what is meditation and the type of meditation. So he discussed with me there are 108 type of meditation and which are very helpful to us, and why these are very helpful meditations. So already in the last session Guruji discussed with me how the matrix get converted into matter. So how the meditation is helpful in converting matrix into matter. So that's why he discussed in detail what is a meditation and type of meditation. Then he discussed about what is psychology and why it is necessary to know about what is psychology for us. As a spiritual guru, you should know the psychology, why you need to learn about psychology. So that he discussed with me in detail. Beside that, he discussed about the detailed process, that is conversion of matrix into matter, in which again the three things were are, you can say, they are very important, that your mind, body and your wealth. So yeah, how these three things are achieved through this process, means how we can fulfill these three things through this process of conversion of matrix into matter. So he discussed about these things thoroughly with me, and also he has given some questions to write for our next session. So this is really interesting session, because everybody wants to know how we can achieve the things in our life, uh, and this is actually, we can say, a secret of achieving whatever we want in our life. So I think this is a very important session in this program. I just want to say thank you, Guruji. This is a really crucial session. You explained very well with me and you had given me so many good examples. So thank you, Guruji, for this. And again, I want to just say, ladies and girls, please join this course. This is very helpful to achieve so many things in your life. It will actually keep you on track. If you feel uh, something lack, so you can just gear up through this course. So I think you should definitely join this kind of course, which will really helpful for achieving your dreams also and fulfill your day-to-day life. So thank you for listening me. Namaste.